I really love about this is that it comes with its own really nice carrying case. As you can see here, it's got a nice handle. It is a hard shell carrying case, so it's really great for storage. It's very nicely made, so you don't have to worry about the glove itself inside getting damaged. Getting this opened, you can see it comes with all the accessories needed. It does come with an exercise ball, so that way when you are doing your hand exercises, you have this nice ball to help with that. And then it comes with the actual device itself. What I really love about this is that it has its own battery, so you don't have to plug this in. You can get an hour of use without this being plugged in, which is really great. So that way, if you are not near an outlet, you can still use this. It's very nice and portable. So if you are moving around your home or want to use it in a different area or take it with you on the go, you can very easily do so and not have to worry about having it plugged in order to use it. It's very lightweight, nice and compact. I love the size. It's not too big and bulky. Makes it really nice and convenient to use. You have your hand mirror strap, so you use this when you want to do your hand mirroring exercise. And it does come with a charging cord for that. And then you have your plug-in charger cord for the device itself. You have your easy to follow user manual, which is really nice. It breaks it down by all the steps and shows you how to use all the different settings and how to get it set up. You also get your exercise cards, so you can keep track of all your exercise that you complete with this, which is really nice. It is double-sided and you get 2, so you have a total of 4 tracking cards to keep track. I really love this. It's great for your rehabilitation needs. I really love how easy this is to set up. Once again, you don't have to have it plugged in order to use it. What I really love about this glove is that it's very comfortable. Unlike other rehabilitation gloves, this one isn't super stiff and it's a lot softer on the inside, making it a lot more comfortable to place on your hands. It is Velcro, so it is adjustable. So you can adjust this depending on the size of your hand. It fits a variety of sizes. Slip your fingers in the glove, very easy to do, and it is a stretchy material, so it does stretch to accommodate the size of your fingers. It does have a power button here on the side. And as you can see, it works really well. You have all of your different settings that you can change this to. You can adjust the strength of it. You can adjust the speed of it and change through the different modes. And then if you want to use the exercise ball with this, you also have that option. And this is all being controlled by the device itself. As you can see, it works really well. Here you have the all finger training button, which will train all fingers. And then here you have the alternating finger training button, which will alternate the fingers. And then you can store your settings. So if you have a preferred setting that you select, so say for instance, I want to do those, I can save that by clicking this button and it will save that mode for me. Then you have your mirror hand strap here, and then you'll click your mirror mode. And it will mirror that hand gesture. So again, this is really great to have, super convenient, easy to use, and it helps so much with the rehabilitation process. If you struggle with arthritis or any other hand injuries, this is a really great product to have. So if you're looking for a really good rehabilitation glove set, this is definitely a great product. It works really well. It helps improve all of your joint pain and injuries with your hands, and it's a great price.